So today this video is all about my wardrobe too. So first of all, let me put a disclaimer here. This is not something I am bragging out or I'm showing this off or I have an intention to show off. This is all just because I have watched so many of the closet organization video and stuff like that, and I really wanted to share with this you guys. So this is my wardrobe. This is how my wardrobe looks like, and we have this big wardrobe and one dresser here. So just focus on this. This is my wardrobe. So let's start. This is how it looks. It has a little bit of mirror going on, but I don't really like this mirror and all. This is just a very regular keychain which has a, ये तो पूरी टूट गई है, इसमें और भी बहुत हैंगिंग्स थे पहले. So let's open this up. This is how my wardrobe looks from up to down. Let me give you a quick overview of it. Okay, this is how my quickly take it, grab it, and just go. On back of that, I have my one niqab over here. This is also a get to go niqab, so I keep things very handy in case I need. So from the top shelf, let me sit, otherwise I'll okay. So on the top shelf I have 3 fabric pouch. In the first one I keep my night dress, in the second I keep my lingerie, and in the third one I have my extra night dress or track pants or some western outfit which I don't wear very often. Then coming to down, here is my regular dresses. Okay, I know it's not iron, I know it's not very properly placed, but this is how I am. I don't want to like show very nice stuff. This is just how I am. Then over here, all are my new dresses. I know I have lots and lots of them, but everybody has this. So I have my new dresses. and I keep in this pouch if you want to see more in detail. Obviously I'm not going to show you guys what's have in this. Let me show you over here what I have over here. Okay, let me take this off first. Okay, so here how this looks. Here, from here it's like transparent. I have arranged them in a cubes way. So my colorful pant, my t-shirt, one vintage style top, then some more track pant and t-shirts, and basically all track pant and t-shirt and night suit kind of stuff. You can just put this like this, chain this up and put it here. Then I have my lingeries over here, like I'm having my lingeries over here. Then my some more nightdress and some inner and all that stuff. Okay, so this is how I keep these three things. Then as I've shown you, these are my new clothes, all of my new clothes, and here are the pieces which has so much of handwork and stuff going on. Here are my regular dresses and some more regular dresses. I know it's not properly placed. Then I have these two drawers. In this one, I have my very regular stuff like some money, some small stuffs and all that. Let me sit over here. And then here is the undergarment drawers. I know you guys are not interested in. Now here I keep my baskets. Now let me show you my basket, how my basket looks. This is just an empty place. This is how it is. These are the very handy stuff you can make. I have made this too. These are the ready-made ones. This is how I love this place, how I have organized this. So let me go into detail. Here is just one empty place where if ever I have to dump my clothes which is not iron, I can just dump this in basket and then place it anywhere where it has to go. Over here in these ones I keep my socks. I keep all of my socks and some miscellaneous stuff like socks, scarves and all that stuff. Basically all socks kind of stuff. Here I keep all of my lower, like my jeans, leggings, pants and stuff like that. It's very heavy. Let me put this down. I cannot put it with my one hand. Moving down, I have my hijabs and dupattas everywhere. Let's try. Let me show one by one. It has this divider kind of stuff where you can actually place it. So here I have my chadris and my hijabs, my hijab cap. Then here more hijabs, shining one, party ones, and then more of that, like this, and some extra. I love to keep some extra rooms everywhere. And my very pretty one, it has cassettes over here. And this is the Burberry one, shimmer ones, more shimmer ones, and more shimmer ones, and more shimmer ones, more shimmer ones. I love them all. Here I keep my more hijab, mostly the big dupattas, strawberry ones, cute ones, then some more Burberry ones, regular ones, short.